So this week we're working on picture graphs and bar graphs. It'll be the first time that we work on it. So this one reads, excuse me, Ron keeps track of the points scored by his teammates during a basketball game. He records his data in the picture graph shown. How many points did each teammate score? So this is the question that they're asking. This is what we want students to answer. Because it's a picture graph, they actually need to look at the key and make sure that they understand what these basketballs stand for. And whether it's a basketball or another symbol, they need to always come down here and look at the key. And then what I have students do is I have them take the number from the key and I actually have them write it right on the symbol because I feel that they will remember to look at the key if they get used to seeing or to writing a number in each symbol. And then they just need to go back up and skip count by that number or add the numbers. So this is 2, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8. And these boxes, they can actually type right into them, but I'm not typing into them because I'm in edit mode and it'll show up on other people's slides. So I just write it and then I can just erase it. All right, let's go to page 3. All right, so page 3, use the graphs to answer the questions. This one is a picture graph. This one is a bar graph because it has the bars, but both of them display the same information or the same data. And the first question right here is, what number are they skip counting by in the bar graph? And so basically all they have to do is, how do I get from 0 to 3? Well, I have to add 3 numbers. How do I get from 3 to 6? I have to add 3 numbers, and so forth. So we know that they're skip counting by threes. And then we can just tell students that that number is called the scale. I think they'll remember it better if they can see the skip count rather than saying the scale is blah blah blah. So I feel like they would remember it better if they can do the skip count right on the bar graph. And then the next question right here is, what number does the key stand for in the picture graph? And all they have to do is go to the key. It tells them the number right here. And then they just type it in. Again, I'm writing it in. Okay. And then let's see if we can go to 4. Yep. This is another picture graph. Courtney keeps track of the points scored by her teammates during a math competition. She records her data in a picture graph showing how many points did each teammate score. Again, they have to come down and look at the key so that they know what number to write on each star or each symbol. I'm just going to use this, and students use this all the time. They're good at it. They know how to do it. See how the number stays on there? So, and they do this super quick. It takes me longer to do it, but they are pretty good at it. Or faster, definitely. So that's that one. And then I'm using this type because I'm not a fast writer on these slides. All right. I should have done it like a brighter color, but hopefully you can see the numbers on there. And again, they know how to change the colors, how to make the font larger. They're excellent at this. All right. So then all we need to do is go back and either count or add. So it's by fives, so it's easier to skip count 5, 10, and then all they have to do is write it, type the number in, 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 5, 10, 15. And the question is how many points did each teammate score? And we have each teammate, we have one for John is 10, Dara is 20, Lee is 30, Sam is 15. And that's all, folks. If you have any questions, just send me a message. Also, if I made any mistakes, which I do often, please send me a message as well. And that's all, folks.